Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ian Brewer at Anointed Vessel Chiropractic in Clark, New Jersey with the Chiropractic Tip of the Week. This is for the moms. I need to talk to you about something. If you're dealing with a colicky baby right now, I know you're exhausted. And maybe you've had other kids who were fine, and now this little one just won't stop crying. You've probably heard it 100 times. Don't worry, they're going to grow up and grow out of it, or it's just a phase. But here's the thing, it's not always the truth, and you don't have to suffer through it. Colic sometimes comes through subluxations, which are misalignments in your baby's spine, which happen through birth. Birth is both a tough process on you and the baby, and those tiny little bones can shift, putting pressure on those nerves that control both digestion and comfort. And we've accepted this as our norm because it just happens so often. At Anointed Vessel, we approach this much differently. Your baby's nervous system was designed by God to work perfectly. And sometimes after birth trauma, it just needs a gentle correction to get back on track. I've seen this many times where interference is removed through safe, gentle adjustments, and babies often sleep better, digest better, and cry less. You're not imagining it. There's a real cause and there's hope, Mom. Book an appointment as soon as possible to make sure your baby is feeling better and that the family is much more happy. This is Dr. Ian Brewer at Anointed Vessel Chiropractic in Clark, New Jersey with the Chiropractic Tip of the Week. We'll see you next week.